Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today, guys. I'm back, guys. Before we get started, though, go ahead and do me a favor. Click that subscribe button. Click that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? And for everybody else, my subscribers, welcome back, guys. If you landed here, guys, on this page, okay? I'm an affiliate marketer, okay? So that means you're out here searching for a way to make money online. I actually show you different home-based opportunities in which you can make money from the comfort of your home. All right, so today I'm here with Impact Mailing Club, okay? This program I just added to my portfolio. I am super excited about it. Looking forward to the new upcoming year, guys. 2020 is right around the corner. Okay, so I've added Impact Mailing Club. So what I'm going to do is basically give you an overview of it, and also show you when I first joined, they sent me 2 separate emails. So I want to show you what's included, okay, and what to expect once you join. Okay, so just hang on with me and we'll go through this and get the information to you so that you can make a sound decision on this. But this is a no-brainer. You can't miss out on this great opportunity. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm taking you to my email so I can just show you. Okay, be transparent with you. When I joined, I received an email. Okay, the first email says welcome. It came with a sales letter, PDF, came with 3 documents, a sales letter, an FAQ PDF, and a cover letter, okay? All right, that's what I received first. Then a day later, I received an email from the account manager, the leads manager. So I'm going to open that one so you can kind of see right here. So a day later, so they are very responsive. Okay, once you join and your sponsor confirms you, that's very important too. Let me reiterate, please, guys, this company, they don't play that. Okay, when you receive your payments, immediately send an email to support to tell them how much you received and to confirm your people, because they're not going to send an email, they're not going to send a welcome letter, not going to do anything until they know that you've received your payment. So that's on you, and you're holding up, you know, your new members' progress, and that's when people get frustrated. Okay, so the next day after I received the welcome email, I received this email from the lead account manager saying, "Hey, congratulations! You know, did you know you can be a leads reseller? We have a leads reseller program," and it tells you that in here, that you can sell lead packages to non-IMC members. This is an additional income on top of selling the IMC memberships. Okay, so that is pretty cool. Okay, so that shows you that the company follows through. Okay, they send you a welcome email, then you receive another email from the leads account manager, and he sends you the lead order form. Okay, with your name in box 1 and the company in box 2. So if you want to just sell leads to people without them being an IMC member, you can do that. Okay, so I'm in, right? And I have another video, I'll put the link below, where you see the welcome kit I received in the mail, and I showed you guys what's included in that as well. Okay, now let's talk about Impact Mailing Club. It is a direct mail program that actually sells lead packages, guys. If you're out here online, whatever you're selling, doesn't matter, even if you're a brick and mortar, you need leads, you need people to look at your offer, you need people to speak to. Okay, so this is no different. They just happen to sell the lead packages in the mail. Okay, so you'll get leads on pill and stick labels, names and addresses of people that have actually raised their hand and said, "Hey, I'm interested in working from home or making money from home." Okay, and I like their leads because they put on the labels or current address. So just in case, I guess, if the person that we're mailing to is no longer at that address, it says or current resident. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So at any rate, that's what they sell, lead packages. So let me show you the lead packages. Okay, so to become a member, you want to purchase one of the lead packages. All right, so let me show you that. Okay, let's take a look at the lead packages. This is the cover letter that you're going to receive via email as well. We also have a Facebook group, guys, very active Facebook group, so you'll get support there, as well as you'll have the email for support. And it's just, you don't want to be emailing them things about things that, as your sponsor, that you can contact me about. They're just there for support, membership type things, like, you know, if you want to upgrade, how much is it, that kind of stuff. We'll get into that because I'm going to come back and do more videos on that. But let me show you the packages, okay? And let's see if I can zoom in on this. Hang on. Okay, so here's the lead packages, guys. 4 lead packages. This is a simple comp plan type of program. You decide which package you want to come in at, and that's the package that you will be able to resell. You can't sell something you don't own. Point blank, period. Okay? So let's start at the low end here. Emerald package. You will send in $100 plus 2 books of stamps. And on the Emerald level, you earn, for every Emerald package you sell, you make $65, guys. That's pretty darn good. Okay? You make $65, your sponsor makes $20. And you're going to receive 100 leads in the mail with this package with your cover letter. Okay? Awesome deal. Next package, Ruby package, is $250. You mail in $250 plus 4 books of stamps. You're able to make $150 for every Ruby package you sell, and your sponsor will make $50. Okay? And you get 200 leads with this package and your cover letter. Every package comes with a cover letter. Next up, Sapphire package. My understanding, Sapphire and Diamond are the most popular. Sapphire, you send in $500, and you send in 4 books of stamps. You're gonna make $300 on every Sapphire package you sell. Your sponsor makes $100, and they send you 400 leads. The cream of the crop, the Diamond package. Okay, you send in $2,000. You send in 5 books of stamps. You're able to make $1,000 commissions, guys. Every time you resell the Ruby, your sponsor gets $500, and the company sends you 1,000 mailing leads. That's awesome. Okay, it's awesome. Real simple. And I think they're going to add another level to it, but it's very simple. That's it. Now, let's say you say, well, you know what? I don't really want to be a member. I just want to buy leads. I have you covered in that aspect, which I talked about earlier. I can just sell you leads, okay, if you just want leads, and we'll talk about that, okay? Very simple. They also have it where if you go ahead and join and you decide you want to upgrade within 30 days, you would just pay the difference to get to that package level, okay? Otherwise, if you wait outside of those 30 days, you would have to pay the full level of that membership, okay? So, very simple program. Now, for everybody that joins me, I'm going to match. Doesn't matter what level you come in at, I'm going to match the leads, okay? And a lot of you that know me, I've done this before. Okay, so if you come in at the Emerald, the company gives you 100 leads, I'm going to give you 100. If you come in at the Ruby, they give you a 200, I'm going to give you 200. If you come in at the Sapphire, they're going to give you 400, I'm going to give you 400. If you come in at the Diamond, that's 1,000 leads, I'm going to match that and give you 1,000 as well as a custom cover letter. We're working on, we've got a sales funnel that we're going to give you as well. So you can just copy that share code in the sales funnel. If you want to do this online, that's optional if you want to. Okay, and we'll help you get your PDF clickable so that you can put it online. Okay, as well as I have postcards that I'm going to be able to share that template with you too if you're interested in that. But this is a sales letter program. That's how it was created. But you know, I've always got to add some different marketing methods to what I do. So with that being said, guys, that's it. It's lead packages. You need leads regardless of what business you're doing. So you need leads. So might as well get in, become a member of the club. Okay, get them at a discount and be able to resell all these packages and make a commission. And you can sell leads on the side for people that don't want to be a member. Okay. Now, let me show you one of the capture pages that the team has put together. My team. Okay. Check this out. Okay. So, nice capture page. This is in the Conversion Pros. You know, I love the Conversion Pros, so you can get that share code and you can use this as well. If you're not in the Conversion Pros, I have another system. Let me show you what the capture page looks like with that, and we have the autoresponder. All that will be included. Okay, so let me show you that one. Okay, here's the capture page for that one. Okay, and I'll put the links below for both of these, but I'm super excited. I look forward to working this business. I'm going all in on it. And I recently upgraded too. So when I started, guys, it was funny. I said, oh, I'm just going to be a member and I'm going to try their leads out. But guess what happened? They had a promotion that they're doing. And they said, hey, if you come in at the Sapphire, hey, you'll be automatically upgraded to the Diamond. So I took advantage of that. So I am all in. And that's what you want to do if you can do it. That way you don't miss any commissions, guys. Okay, because that will roll up to your sponsor. Okay, so again, I'm super excited about Impact Mailing Club. I look forward to working with you guys. It's a new year upon us, guys. New beginnings. Okay, new levels. Okay, so if you're really serious about making money online, you really can't get any easier. I've always said that because I found my success with direct mail. Anybody can mail a postcard. Anybody can mail a letter. And with this company, they've done a great job, and they are verifying. These are USPS verified addresses. The addresses on these leads. So you're getting great leads, guys. Okay, so great program. I'm looking forward to working with you guys. If you're serious about making money from home, reach out to me. This is what I do, and I love helping people. And I don't hide behind my computer, so I am accessible. You can reach me, okay? And I will respond to you. If I don't pick up the first time, make sure you leave a voicemail and I will return your call. Okay. With that being said, I'll be back, guys, because we're doing a lot of promotions with this program. Okay. You will see that I've already got my sales letters that's coming, getting those printed up, and I'll be coming back to show you guys that. So that's what I've got for you today. Go ahead and join me in Impact Mailing Club. Click that subscribe button right now. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. You don't want to miss that, guys, okay? Look forward to working with you guys. You guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next video.